Okay, now we are going to learn about days of the week. Days of the week. Children, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So, there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the 7 days of the week. Okay. So, week starts with Monday. Our week starts with Monday and ends at Sunday. Our week starts with Monday and ends at Sunday. This is about days of the week. The next is months of the year. The next is months of the year. Children, we have 365 days in a year. How many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. Only the leap year have 366 days. Only the leap year will have 366 days. So, I told you there are 12 months in the year. Which are the 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months of the year. January is the first month, February is the second month, March is the third month, April is the fourth month, May is the fifth month, June is the sixth month, July is the seventh month, August is the 8th month, September is the 9th month, October is the 10th month, November is the 11th month and December is the 12th month of the year. Okay, January is the first month of the year, December is the last month of the year. This is about months of the year. Okay, see your children, do you know this trick to remember days in a month? So, using this trick, we can remember days in a month. If we hold our hands like this, so we can see this part in our hands, right? So, this part will show 31 days, that is January. This lower part will show 28 days, this is February. Upper part is 31 March, lower part 30 April, again upper part 31 May, again lower part 30 days June, upper part 31 days July, again upper part 31 days August, lower part 30 days September, again upper part 31 days October, again lower part 30 days November and the upper part 31 days December. Okay, like this, if we remember this in our mind, we can find out easily how many days are there in different months. Okay, now we will solve the exercise problems. First main fill in the blanks. Okay, first question. There are dash days in a week. There are dash days in a week. 7 days, isn't it? There are 7 days in a week. There are dash months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. So write down 12. Okay. Dash day is the comes between Sunday and Tuesday. Dash day comes between Sunday and Tuesday. Monday comes between Sunday and Tuesday, right? So write down Monday. Next, fourth question. Dash day comes before Thursday. Before Thursday, which day comes, children? Wednesday. So write down Wednesday. Next, fifth question. Dash day comes after Friday. After Friday, which day comes? Saturday. So write down Saturday. Next, sixth question. Dash is the shortest month of the year. Which is the shortest month of the year, children? It's February. Okay, February have only 28 or 29 days. So, February is the shortest month of the year. Okay, next seventh one. Dash is the first month of the year. Which is the first month of the year? It's January. Dash is the last month of the year. It is December. Dash is the middle month of the year, children. Which is the middle month? June is the middle month of the year. It is the 6th month. Okay, so write down June. Next, 10th question. Dash month comes after March. After March, which month comes? April. So write down April. Next, dash month comes before August. Before August, which month comes? It's July. July comes before August. Okay. Dash month comes between February and April. It's March. Right. So write down March. So children, okay, this is the end of the chapter. Hope all of you learned how to see the time, how to read the time, isn't it? And also you learned about days of the week and months of the year. Okay children, I hope all of you understood the complete chapter. Okay, all of you take care. Bye.